It's hard waking up every day and still being fucking ugly. That shit get old. Like, why my glow up keep passing me?
Hello beautiful people, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzy Pretty Lizzy Akimble. So today's video is another creative makeup tutorial. I am transforming myself into one of my favorite YouTuber and you already know the name. First of all, I am applying a primer all over my face, then I'll be using a wax on my nose. This is actually my first time using wax and it was a fail. It was a struggle, like I regret using it. I should have just contoured and highlighted. I regret using it. But I'm just glad it came out, okay. Let's say E pass. Now I will be using Flawless Ivy foundation, a dark shade all over my face, my neck, my jawline, the bridge of my nose, and mostly my forehead. So basically I'm applying the foundation all over the darker part of her face, like her cheekbone, underneath her jaw, her forehead, in between her nose, underneath her eyes as well, and her neck. I am using ZK Cosmetic Concealer in the shade Nutmeg to contour the lighter part of her face, underneath her eyes, her brow bone, and in between her brow bone, close to her forehead. At this point, I was so scared applying foundation on the top of my nose and I ruined everything. I couldn't stop, rearranging my nose because I felt it wasn't good enough. Now I am using Davis eye pencil to create a cut crease, just to contour my eyes and make it appear bigger. I'm applying Zika cosmetic powder all over the place. I contoured with a dark foundation. Here I am once again touching my nose and ruining everything. At this point I just want to remove the nose and go and sleep. Like, it was so frustrating. Esther Cosmetic nude pink lipstick. I just want to create that natural looking pink lip and I'm using a brush to blend it in, and I'll be applying a brown pencil all over my lips just to make it look bigger. I'll be lining the outer part of my lip. Now I am using edge control or gel to create Nicole Tv signature ponytail.
Yeah, I don't have no edges, no license, and no hair. So
I wish my face looks very slim just like hers. At this point I am trying to imitate just turning around for you to see how the ponytail looks. It is so hilarious. I will add some of the clip to the video. I am just trying to imitate her and it is so funny.
It's hard waking up every day and still being fucking ugly. That shit get old. Like, why my glow up keep paying?
So we have gotten to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Make sure you leave a comment below. Bye.